Did you know that the person with keys to your apartment could be watching your every move? On December 2nd, 2016, 28-year-old Danielle Stislicki drove home from work in Troy, Michigan. Security cameras captured her arriving at 5:05 p.m. at her Farmington Hills apartment complex. The next morning, her car sat abandoned in visitor parking. Her purse and phone were inside. Danielle was gone. Surveillance footage revealed a chilling truth. Maintenance worker Floyd Galloway had been stalking Danielle for weeks. He used his master keys and building access to learn her routines. He Googled her name obsessively. He even made fake trips to her workplace. Phone records placed Galloway at her complex the exact moment she vanished. GPS data from his work truck destroyed his alibi completely. The case exposed how apartment maintenance workers can become invisible predators. They have keys to everything. They know when you leave and when you come home. Despite overwhelming evidence, Danielle's body was never found. Galloway was convicted of kidnapping anyway. How well do you really know who has access to your home?